my coach say, go home and have a great carbohydrate dinner meal before the big game tomorrow. There's only one meal I think of, and that is homemade spaghetti, which was introduced to me by Michelle Hedinger, a former Pampered Chef employee and a current Trader Joe's food demonstrator. Not only is spaghetti healthy and energizing, it only takes about 45 minutes to prepare. Making homemade spaghetti takes 3 easy steps, which are gathering, cooking, and serving. The first and most crucial part of making spaghetti is gathering the ingredients and materials. The first and most important material is the stove. The next is the pan, the pot, a strainer with a lid, a measuring cup, ladle, a strainer spoon, a wooden spoon. Hunt's tomato sauce starts off the ingredients. Next comes the tomato paste. Then it's the cremette, thin spaghetti noodles, Lynn Whiteman's special spaghetti seasoning, vegetable oil, and shredded Parmesan cheese, and 1 pound of ground beef. The ingredients and materials would only be items in the cupboard without the main process of cooking. To start it all off, make sure you have all of your ingredients and materials. You don't want to be missing out and waste many minutes of cooking to look for the ingredients and materials. The next thing you want to do is you want to set them out in order that you will need them. The next thing you're going to do is you have the pot on the burner and the pan on the other burner. Place the lid of the pot on top of the strainer so you don't forget to use it. The first thing you're going to do, and the first thing to start off making spaghetti, is the noodles. You're going to put about 6 to 8 cups of water in this pot. I've already added a couple in there, so I'll add just this one. Then what you're going to do is you're going to place the burner on high. You're going to place the lid on top and wait for the water to boil. The next step is, while you are waiting, you can start preparing to make your sauce. And now, I've already defrosted meat, but what you would do is you would defrost a pound of hamburger in the microwave. And before you do that, you want to make sure that you have all the foil off so that the meat does not blow up. And after the meat is defrosted, what you're going to do is you're going to put a little bit of water in the bottom of the pan, just for burning purposes. And then you take your meat on a plastic plate and you plop it into the pan. Next you're going to do is you're going to put the burner on high. And you're going to start kind of breaking up the meat into smaller pieces, like so. And you're going to chop this until it's in fine pieces with brown all over. And then what you're going to do is, while you're doing this, you're just going to kind of want to let it sit and wait for the meat to turn brown. And then you're going to wait for the meat to turn brown.